Okay, I'm picking up on the installation where I left off on the power unit and the filter. You're going to come out of the intake of the filter at the top to go up to your crane where you're supporting your UniMove. You might have an inline bleeder valve here. The bleeder valve can either be permanently attached to the piping here or it can be removable as this one is. The bleeder valve is very valuable if you've got a very light load that you have to lift and your controls are a little responsive, it'll modulate that. If you have a mechanical foot, like a hook foot, it's absolutely necessary if you don't have a foot where air is coming up through that foot. Okay, so we're going to pick up with our blue vacuum festoon hose, and we go up to our crane, and you'll see the loops up there. We have one festoon trolley for every 6 feet. So because of the contraction of the lift tube that we need to account for, we're going to put 8 feet of blue hose between that 6-foot trolley section, festoon trolley section, and an 8-foot loop forms a very nice, comfortable, and manageable loop on the crane. So once we are there, we come over to our bridge where we have another festoon trolley and up to the top swivel. Now, if your top swivel of your crane is very high because it needs to be up and out of the way for some reason, you might not want to attach your UniMove directly to that top swivel. You might want to attach it to something like an inline rigid drop extension. This one drops that trolley saddle down 18 inches and it allows for a much more manageable lift height position so that you don't go too high. So the lift tube assembly, it comes totally installed in itself. The lift tube is attached to the top swivel and to the control head with clamps, and we have protective covers that go over those clamps. This unit is on a docking station. Optional docking station is adjustable for our 5 or our 7-inch tubes. And you'll attach your suction foot to the bottom of the control head with the 2 enclosed mounting bolts. You always have a gasket in between any metal mating surfaces. If you have something like an inline 90-degree angle adapter such as this, or a 360 bottom swivel to let you rotate your load underneath the control head, then you'll have another gasket in line to put that there, and then your suction foot will go below that optional adapter. So this should complete all of the installation instructions that you need, and we'll also have an operations video for you. Thank you very much.